TWP theme park plunge here. Many of you wonder probably how I'm going all these places. How do I afford to do it? And it's the nickel and dime every last thing. And I am about to leave this hotel here, the Destiny Palms Maingate West in Orlando. Maybe it's Kissimmee area. I don't know. It's 192. And it is a phenomenal deal, especially if you're going to Disney, Universal. I went to Disney, I went to Universal, I went to Busch Gardens, Tampa, and I stayed here. And it was like between $41 and $55 a night, depending on, the night, if it was weekend, if it was weekday, that type of thing. And I booked it through Expedia, which is the best way to get a deal. Actually, when I tried to renew one more day, it was cheaper for me to go through Expedia. So they have a special deal with Expedia here at Destiny Palms Maingate West. I recommend going to Expedia, booking a stay, especially if you're gonna rent a car or have a car. It's about 5 miles from Disney. It's about half an hour from Universal, about an hour from Busch Gardens, Tampa Bay. So amazing location for the money. You can't beat the price. If you're not looking for a resort, you're looking for a basic place to stay, rest your head. Had a very good sleep here. I'm gonna tour the room. I videoed it when I first came in so you can see it nice and clean. It's clean, furniture's a little bit dated, but phenomenal deal. I highly recommend staying here. Well, let's check out the room. So far, it's looking really good for what I paid. Let me show you. All right, so here's what we got here. We got a chair. Now, I will say I'm limited on space, but I do got a nice little table with a coffee maker. I got some trash to take care of there, but I got a nice little desk, TV. We got microwave. We got refrigerator with some cabinetry, place to put my clothes, air conditioner unit, overlooking the parking lot here, not too bad. 2 queen-size beds with a nice stand there. And we got a sink area here with the mirror. And then we obviously got the bathroom with the shower. Now you can tell the shower, brass, very dated, but here's the thing. It's clean, it's nice, it's really great for the money. Like if you're trying to save a buck so that you can continue to go on adventures, go to Disney World, go to Universal, whatever. And this is probably I think it's like 5 miles from Disney World, and it's probably like 25 minutes from Universal. Which pretty similar to SeaWorld, obviously. This is a score. This is a score. This is gonna save you big money on your trip. Now, if you want a fancy resort, and that's what kind of things you're looking for in a resort or a hotel, then this isn't for you. But if you're like, I'm going to the parks anyway, which is where I don't care about the pool, I don't care about the amenities, I don't. Do I have a bed to crash and a nice shower? Cool, I'm good. So, this is how you do it, people. Pretty nice for the money. Well, that's our tour of the room here. Again, not much to it. There is a pool. They do have some laundry and some things like that, some basic amenities. But if you're just going to the parks, you don't really care, you want a cheap place to stay, here's where you do it. This is how I do it. I use tricks like these and find my way to save every penny I can to go to these places. And that's my secret trick. We're out! Subscribe for the chills and the drops, subscribe for